Hi everyone, I'm Whitney from Sugar and Sparrow, and today I'm showing you how to make this incredibly delicious Strawberry Swiss Meringue Buttercream. This frosting is so light, not overly sweet, bursting with fresh strawberry flavor, and so perfect for cake decorating. This video is sponsored by Amoretti, and I use their natural wild strawberry artisan flavor for this frosting. They have so many incredible flavors that will work with this recipe, so take a look at Amoretti.com for their massive selection of high quality extracts, natural flavors, syrups, and more. Grab my code in the video description for $10 off your order. Let's get started with this recipe. I use a classic Swiss meringue buttercream recipe, which always starts with separating fresh egg whites. I'm carefully placing 6 egg whites into a heat-safe bowl and making sure not to get any egg yolk or shells in the mix. Then I'm adding 2 cups or 400 grams of granulated sugar. Whisk it together and place it over a pot of simmering water or double boiler and continue whisking constantly. The goal here is to gently heat this mixture until the sugar dissolves and the egg whites are pasteurized or safe to eat, but not fully cooked. This process takes about 4 minutes, and you can check to see that the sugar is dissolved by quickly dipping a finger in and then rubbing your fingers together to check for any sugar granules. You can also check with a thermometer to see that the mixture reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. When the sugar is dissolved, pour the mixture into a stand mixer fitted with the whisk attachment. We're going to beat this mixture into a beautiful meringue. Turn the mixer to medium-high speed and let it do all the work for 10 to 15 minutes. While the mixer is whipping up the meringue, I like to prepare my butter. This is 1.5 cups or 339 grams of room temperature butter that I'm slicing into 1 tablespoon squares. It's important that the butter isn't too soft or too cold when you add it, so try to time it to where you take the butter out of the refrigerator just 30 to 45 minutes before you're going to use it. Now back to the meringue. After 10 to 15 minutes, you should have glossy meringue with stiff peaks that defy gravity. Here's what mine looks like. At this point, feel the bowl of your stand mixer. If it's still warm to the touch, pop it into the refrigerator for about 10 minutes to let it cool to room temperature. It should be about 70 degrees Fahrenheit before continuing on with the recipe. When it reaches this point, turn the mixer to medium-high and start adding the butter 1 chunk at a time. Wait until each chunk has fully mixed in before adding the next one. Once you've added all the butter, turn the mixer down to medium and add 1 tablespoon of Amoretti natural wild strawberry artisan flavor. I love that this is made with fresh fruit and it totally captures the flavor of perfectly ripened strawberries year-round. Plus, that natural pink color turned out so pretty. Lastly, add a pinch of salt and continue mixing for about 30 seconds, after which you will have the silkiest, most delicious strawberry frosting that's ready to use on your cake. It's so easy to work with for cake and cupcake decorating, and I legit could not stop tasting it while I filmed this video. The consistency is so ideal for frosting and piping, and it's the most universally loved buttercream because it's just the right amount of sweet. Definitely a little more work than an American buttercream recipe, but it's so worth it for the beautiful flavor and texture. If you love cake, head to my blog at sugarandsparrow.com for more recipes, cake decorating tutorials, and ideas for your cake making. And whether you're just starting out with cakes or curious about my methods, check out my Cake Basics playlist on my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button while you're there so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching!